Alrighty, good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB, and today we are going to be going through another little tutorial, not Photopea, but just showing you how to quickly remove backgrounds. I talked about this in one of my previous videos on removing it using a different tool within Photopea. This is the website I referenced during that. This can be a really quick tool. Depending on how complicated the background is, will kind of determine how well this will actually work. So I've got 3 images that I've already set up just to kind of show you a quick demo. To do this, it's really simple. You just find the best quality version of whatever image it is that you're using. Open up your image on Google and open it into a new tab in its largest format. And you just take it and you'll drag it and drop it in. It'll take a couple seconds and you will see it then now with its removed background. It does a really good job. Some things I've noticed, like on this picture here, for example, with Joel, a couple times when I try this, it cuts off some of his face because the white is kind of what it assumes is part of the background since it's so different from the character's face. So sometimes that ends up being a little bit funky. As you can see here, it changes the quality of the image, changes its size. So it changes it to 666 pixels by 375 pixels, which is a pretty big drop compared to its original. That is because we are doing this through the free version. And when we are doing this, we are allowed to have 1 free downloaded image in HD per day. So if you want to download it in its premium quality, this is the image you know for sure. Excellent. Download it, grab it, use it. When you end up downloading it the regular size, depending on what you're doing, it might look a little bit more pixelated because obviously it is a lower quality image. Again, you do get 1 high quality image download per day. You get a kind of like a token. So you can use that higher quality image for the actual final product, whatever you're doing, rather than if you're just testing some designs. Now I'm going to grab a couple more images. I'm going to drop one in here for Fast and the Furious and just kind of show you where this might struggle a little bit. This image from Fast and the Furious, and as you can see, it removed pretty much all of the background. There is a little bit of some cars in the background here, like the very back, but we could take that into Photopea and clean that up relatively easy. There is some shadows that are a little bit different, but this did a really good job in terms of removal. I've tried this a few times with this image and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, so maybe just re-drop the image in to get a different result. Sometimes it'll work better than others. If you also drop in an image that's a lower quality, it will struggle a little bit more. So if I drop in the smaller version of this, I find that it more often than not will remove a lot of the characters within this image, rather than with this higher quality image, it seems to be able to grab and remove that stuff a lot better. Now, these are the only 2 images I'm going to show just to kind of show an example of what this can do and kind of what you can drop into this program. Really, it's just drag and drop. You can just go directly to Google. You don't have to download any images. You're just taking some image, dragging it in here, dropping it, and hoping that it can remove the background to the quality that you want. If not, again, we can use Photopea to do the rest, to do the last little bit, to make it look pristine or wherever it is that we want it. That's it. That's all for today. I know this was a really quick tutorial, but there isn't much to go over with this other than really dragging and dropping into Backgroundremover.bg. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something. Have a wonderful day. Take care and be safe.